What's up guys, it's your girl Latoya, and today I'm going to be doing like an unboxing, kind of like a review thing, or trying it out for the first time on this stuff right here. And I've seen it before, but I never like used it. I always wanted to use it, but today is gonna be the day. It's called Berry Plus Bright Activated Charcoal and Natural Acai. I don't know if that's what that word is, but we're gonna, hopefully it is. Y'all know what I'm talking about. It says Epic Whitening Fluoride Free Toothpaste. Okay, it's a farm grown mint, removes plaque, freshens breath, and rocks taste buds. So these are the two things that's supposed to be in this box. Yes, I get up and personal with y'all. This one right here says hello, activated charcoal plus natural acai, farm grown mint, epic whitening, fluoride free toothpaste. I think the other one pretty much says the same. Yeah, so I think the other one pretty much says the same because it says activated charcoal plus natural acai, farm grown mint, epic whitening, fluoride free toothpaste. So I guess they gave two of the same thing. So on the side of the box is really cute. It says say hello to super paste, and it has a little rabbit right here, and it says never tested on animals. We're gonna read the side of it too. It says minteresting. That's the hashtag y'all can use, I guess. If you ever use it, use that. It's black paste, works brilliantly. Okay, and it's telling you where you can go to learn more about it. Go to helloproducts.com. It says no artificial sweeteners, no artificial flavors, no dyes, no fluoride, no SLS sulfates, no microbeads, no parabens, no triclosan, have no idea, no brainer. So we're gonna read on the back. This is what the back looks like. Goodbye boring and hello minteresting. Our naturally friendly acai not only puts super in super fruits, it puts some magic in your mouth. Thoughtfully formulated for daily use with activated charcoal made from sustainable bamboo, this super paste removes surface stains from teeth and freshens your breath like nobody's business. Brush happy is the hashtag they have right there. Okay, so they're gonna tell you the directions on how to use this. It says whitens, helps remove plaque with regular brushing. Okay, that's what you're using it for. You're pretty much getting it to whiten your teeth and remove plaque with regular brushing. Okay, the directions say apply to your fave bristles and brush like a boss. Look in the mirror, dig your black teeth, and take a selfie. FYI, black paste may be messy, so spit responsibly, smile often. Twist off cap to remove full seal. Do not use if safety seal is missing or broken. Always. Never tested on animals. Vegan plus leaping bunny certified. Globally sourced ingredients plus made in the USA. Rock on. Cool. Our tubes are BPA free. Okay y'all, so we're gonna open this baby up. And look how little they are. So this is the first one. Look how little it is, y'all. And then that's the back. That's that. So yeah. So these are it, guys. What y'all think? So what y'all think about me trying this for the first time? I think I should too. I'll be back. Get my toothbrush ready, and you hear my water running in the background. I have to run water first, of course. We have our stuff right here. We're gonna open it. Seal is on there. Y'all probably want to see what I'm doing. Okay. Okay, now we're gonna get our toothbrush. Okay, and let's start. Oh. It's not gonna work, I don't think, instantly, but I had to wash the sink out a little bit because it's got in there pretty good. Now I'm trying to figure out how to close this thing back up, y'all. I'm horrible. Alright, so this was it. You can probably hear my alarm going off in the background because I set alarm for everything. But yes, I'm gonna put the link down in the description box if you want to buy some of this. I'm gonna try to remember to do that because I forget a lot of times, but I'm gonna try to put the link down below. It's very tingly. I feel it tingly. My mouth feels fresh. It really does. Like when I first put it on, I don't know, it just feels mini and fresh. That's what it feels like. If y'all like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more like this, don't forget to subscribe. Please hit the subscribe button because soon I will be doing giveaways. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and make sure you hit the thumbs up. Comment down below if you like it and tell me what you think about it. Tell me if you think you would buy it. I mean, it hasn't been used on animals, they say, and it's vegan, so I think that's pretty cool, and Leaping Bunny certified. So yeah, why wouldn't you use a toothpaste like that? No, but anyway, thank y'all so much for watching, and see y'all next vlog or video. Bye.